If you want to keep chemicals out of your home, cleaning with natural, non-toxic, commercially produced products is essential, but it can be expensive. However, cleaning with citrus, baking soda, and vinegar are some of the most common and safe natural cleansers that can save you up to $500 a year. The average cost of most commercial non-toxic household cleaners is $5, and that's just for the kitchen cleaner. You need one for the bathroom, one for the glass and windows, and one to scour the tub and shower with. But what if you could spend $1 instead, have a chemical-free and quality product that takes you less than 30 minutes to make? And you can save the world, one laundry load at a time. It's really a win-win. Well, you can. And here are 3 of the most common edible items you can use to clean your entire house. You'll thank me. Cleaning with citrus. This is a 2-in-1. All citrus fruits contain the essential oils limonene and citral in their skins, which is how they get their smell and taste. Make a surface cleaner with pink grapefruit rinds or any citrus rind for that matter. And after peeling the fruit for your cleanser, use the flesh of the fruit atop a spring salad. You can juice them or just eat them. It won't cost you more than $3 for the fruit, and then maybe another $1 or $2 worth of our next all-natural, edible, and powerful household cleaner, distilled white vinegar. Vinegar has a wonderfully rich history, and it is one of the most versatile, cost-efficient, and effective discoveries of humankind. And distilled vinegar became our first medicine around 400 BC. These days, there are more than 100 uses for distilled white vinegar in and around your house to safely kill mold, bacteria, and germs without any harsh or toxic chemicals. One of my favorite ways to use vinegar, beyond making citrus cleaners, is to deodorize the sink drain. It can become a victim of overall food waste buildup, and that's pretty gross. So for about 5 minutes and maybe 50 cents worth of vinegar, all you need to do is pour 1 cup of distilled white vinegar over our next edible household cleaner, baking soda. Then pour a few cups of boiling water down the drain to rinse. Baking soda has been around since before ancient Egypt and was said to have been used in the mummification process. Baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3, for all you chemistry buffs out there. And as you've seen already, placing a cup of it with some vinegar into your sink drain will deodorize the sink. Fortunately, using baking soda in the laundry has the same effect on soiled and smelly clothes. It's also great for anyone allergic to yeast for use in non-yeasted or unleavened breads. In fact, our bodies produce it naturally to help neutralize the stomach and help with indigestion, as well as neutralize plaque on our teeth. Chances are you've probably already used toothpaste that has baking soda in it, but the real reason baking soda is so awesome is a 1-pound box of baking soda is really cheap. And here's the bonus. Mix a 1/4 cup of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of liquid soap, and voila! You have yourself some scouring cleanser for way less than $5 that won't contaminate you or the planet. Look, saving money is the best thing you can do right now. The average household spends about $610 per year on household cleaning products. So now you can make your own economic, effective, and non-toxic cleansers right in your kitchen. Then you'll have at least 40 extra bucks at the end of the month, saving you about $480 per year. And I'm sure you could figure out what to do with that on your own. You're welcome, and thanks for watching.